Look how much faster that pull is. Look at that. That is so much payday. It broke the 200. It broke VWAP, came all the way down. You can even see it broke through here, and then the buyers bought it back up. And that's where I would get out, of course, because then it paused, it stopped itself, right? But look at that. That is such a payday for those of you that are scalping, is to watch this up here. It broke through, retest, couldn't hold, lights out, right? And again, this is why I always talk about, even if you miss the initial pull, right? The first sign of it. And I'm like, I don't care. There's still a little bit of meat on the bone. I can jump in here with like, 10 contracts of SPX or, 50 contracts of SPY or whatever it is to you. I can typically jump in on the tail end of a long candle like this, and it turns into this beauty thing, right? But once it starts to touch in, right, it's just like the 2-minute EWO. If I'm in it good here, I don't sell it. I'm good. 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 I see pause, right? Slow down. That usually indicates I get out, because I'll take this gamma ride, right? It's like somebody putting their foot down on the gas pedal, and I'll get paid a ton of premium on them really long candle bleed outs. And the second it pauses is when you get out, because look at this candle. See this one, this big 1 minute? That is payday. That thing will go up 300% in that candle, right? It'll go payday, ding. Treat it like a 2-minute EWO, right? If you got in somewhere up here and it keeps going, even when it slows down in here, right, and it's by VWAP, as long as this candle's still bleeding out, I'm going to leave it alone. The reason is because I'm making so much money in here that I don't really necessarily have to worry anymore in here, right? So I might let it breathe a little bit right here. It just depends how heavy. If I'm in really heavy, I probably would have killed it at VWAP, right? Unless it did what it did, which is it just went right straight through it. It didn't even stop. This is a 1-minute candle, right? And then it just kept on ripping. But I'm telling you, yeah, but the second it pauses, I'm out. SPY, we're looking at SPY right here. I can see it's already sitting at this critical level, which is why it's bouncing right now at 433.72, which means we're going to take the next one, which is going to be right here. So upside is going to be, upside on SPY is 434.67. Downside is 433.35. Apple. So upside 178.23, downside 177.26.